Yo, what's good, guys? Producer Mykah here, and today we're going to be remaking Benin Boys, Rema, and Charlie Poppy. Big shout out to UX. So without wasting time, guys, let's go. All right, guys. So quickly, I've used Audimi to convert the vocals, and you guys have been actually saying I should do a type of UX kind of beat. So this is like a perfect example. So quickly, I'm just gonna drag down the tempo, and the tempo of the song is 115. Yeah, so let's just listen to what the vocal sounds like, and then we go into creating this vibe, guys. Nice. So I'm just gonna send it to my mixer and use my EQ just to take out some of the highs. And I think I wanna just brighten it up a little bit. So let's just add some highs. Then I'll just add pop plate. Just add pop plate so there's some nice reverb. Yep, so we can just go into creating this vibe. So I'm just gonna loop these first 8 bars. All right, so it has this it started with this staccato kind of chords. So for that, I'm gonna be using a library in Contact. I'm gonna be using what is it called, session strings. Yeah, this session strings. So I'm just gonna go over to, I'm gonna start with I'm gonna layer 2 sounds together. I'm gonna use the pizzicato and the staccato together. So this is what it sounds like. Yeah, so this is what the chord sounds like. Let me just play it by itself. Yeah, but we're on the key of F sharp. So I played it originally on the key of C. So I'm just going to go to my plugin and just transpose to F sharp. So now it sounds on key. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, so this is basically what was playing all through the jam, man. So I'm just going to clone this. So I have on that instance of the session strings. But for this part, I'm going to be using the staccato sound. Where's my paste? Yeah. So this is what it sounds like. Yeah, so it sounds more like it. So I can put that down and put that pattern down. So I have this now. Yeah, you're feeling it. So that's basically, then the next thing I'm gonna add. So for this tutorial, I'm just gonna be creating the melodies first. Create the melodies first. Then I add the drums. So the next thing is this. There's a tremolo sound, or tremolo or tremolo. So I'm gonna go over to Purity, and you can get that sound in Purity. Go to our preset, our slow synth, and the tremolo signal. Yep, this. So I'm just gonna make sure I'm on the right key. You can actually make this on the original key, but for me, I just love playing on the key of C. So I transpose it to C so that I'm just focused on the white note. You get me? So I'm gonna call this tremolo or tremolo single note, which is our 6 all through. But I think I'm gonna go up an octave. Yes, have it high. Yeah, so this is just everything that was playing, man. This is just everything that was playing. Then I think there was a bass, but before then I'm gonna bring in a lead, and I'm gonna be using GMS and just go over to the lead section, and let me just look for a very nice lead. I think I'm gonna use this Dreamer TE. Sounds like this. This might not be what he used, but it sounds close to what was used. So let's see what we can. Yeah, something like this. Yeah, so let's just put that down. I'm gonna be using a swing of around, let's say, 20%. Yeah. Nice. So I think then we put in the bass. So for the bass, I'm gonna be using Morphine, but I'm just gonna use this for my bass. And for the bass, I'm just gonna, this is what our bass is playing. Where's our note? Yeah, this. So I'm just gonna make sure I'm on the, I'm on the key. So I'm just gonna transpose it. So we have this. Yeah. So let's listen to that. think this is what we have for our melodies. Nice. So what else? Then at this point, there was like a nice string that came in. So let's shift this over here. I think where Charlie Poppy came in. Yeah. Okay, so at this point there was some nice strings. So for that string, I'm gonna be using contacts. Let me try session strings 2. And so this is what our string sounds like, but make sure I'm on the right key. So it's actually just a single note, but what I've done is that I've played it an octave higher and lower. So this is what it sounds like. Yeah, so but I'm just gonna send it to my mixer and just give it some nice, some nice reverb. So it's just okay. So I think that came in at this point. So we have this. Nice. So I think we are done for the melodies, and next thing is just to bring in drums. Just some nice simple drums. So just bring a splice here, and let's start with this shaker. So I'm just gonna stretch it to 8 bars. Yeah, so we have this. Then there's this free drum pack, which I'm gonna leave a link in the description. You can just go check it out. The guy, he drops like amazing loops. So I'm just gonna go over and I'm gonna just add this together with it. So let's make sure we're on I think 4 bars. So for this, I'm just gonna bring down the I think this. Let me try this. So I'm just gonna paste fill each 4 steps, and go to my piano roll and just increase this. Copy this also. Let's just have this. I think we have another drum here. So we have the kick to be like this. So I think something close to this, and let's just play around with this. Let's see. Then this. So I think we can have our drums like this. So let's have our rim. Then for the kick, I'm just gonna sidechain my kick and my bass, and for the bass, I'm just gonna render it to wave. Let me increase the velocity of all these. So we have Benin boys, and what I think I can just add some transitions and the like. So for the transitions, go over to splice. Let's stretch it to 4 bars. And you can have this. Yep. Then I think what I can also do is there was like a drum roll, and for that I'm just gonna go over to Colors Pack. I think I'll just use this. Yeah, I'm still gonna add like a drum feel. So still go to splice, and let's look for feel. Yep, then the next thing I'm just gonna add some log drums. I might not get like the exact kind of log drum bounce, but I'm just gonna play some nice log drums to go along with it. So go over to splice, look for log drums. This then we have like a siren. So siren just at this point, bring down the gain a little bit. Okay, I think I'm gonna cut it from here. Yeah, let's go from here. So let's listen and see.
Touchdown, Beanie Boys, gang, money up and money, respect up. Let me, I can want to shine this up and let's say I'm on Mykah, touchdown, shake that. Did they like, did they dance, feel like big pen? I did pulling down with the pepe. If you play with the boys, you go go less. He doing, you know it has selling no sense. You are the day, call us Beanie Boys, we nothing big tomorrow. Now we deep pull up with comfort and no deep believe we gon' chill. Belly, she see the by all that you and what's this? Chop you want the magic, I feel what's in a bottle. Simone, CMC, Simone, Simone, CMC, Simone, Simone, CMC, Simone, this is Simone.
I think in between, at some point there's some other melodies that that were coming in, but you just get the idea how easy it is to actually make all these beats you hear out there. And if you're on the Patreon, you're gonna get access to this. So let me just play it once more and let me know what you guys think. For me, I think this is fire. This is amazing. But I really like to know you guys' thoughts. So let's just listen once again. Yeah, so let me know how you guys are gonna rate me. Let me know if I did well on this remake. Let me know you guys' thoughts in the comment section. And if you're in the Patreon, you're definitely getting access to this FLP, so you could use it, just play around with it and see how this beat was made. So a big shout out to UX, big shout out to Rema, and big shout out to Charlie Poppy. See you guys in the next video. Peace.